Hey everybody, it's Brian from Team Hutchins. We got a Levito air cleaner. It's a compact true HEPA air cleaner. This is unboxing and putting it together and show you what I think about it. So just sit tight, I'll show you some of the pictures of it and we'll get going. Okay, well, after you have taken it out of the box, one of the first things it says to do is flip the filter over, unscrew the top or turn it to the clockwise, open it up and go down and unwrap the HEPA filter. And now you see you got the filter inside of here, so we'll take it out and unwrap it. One of the things the instructions will mention is talking about the pre-filter. Now, this is the pre-filter right here. It says charcoal, and you see the HEPA filter together. In my models, it was all put in the same thing together, so just don't let it fool you. So it's got your pre-filter on top of there. Thank you. Now that I've unwrapped it, so make sure you place it back in there with the charcoal side up, and you'll see the tabs pointing up as well. So now then, once you have put it back down in there, and just line it up with the little tabs, so right there, and then just turn it and lock it. Just turn it back clockwise, and it should be ready to go. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention was price. Hey, sorry, but I forgot to talk to you about price. Amazon had these things listed for $74, $79 each. It had a bundle for $160. I don't understand why it was that, but I went ahead and got two of them and still come out and beat the total with free delivery because we have Amazon Prime, which like everybody is now. But there was $160 for both of them, and so far so good. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Okay, now I got it set up here. Got it plugged in. So now I just turn it on. I got on speed 2. You can change the speeds right here. 3, 2, 1, 2. We'll leave it on 2. There's your filter reset button. Got your little night light on there if you want it. The sound of it is actually pretty quiet. Much less than other air cleaners we had in the past. So we'll see how it goes. Hey, this is Brian Team Hutchins. If you're liking our videos, hit that like button, subscribe to us. We enjoy y'all. Thank you and hope you enjoy cruising as much as we do. Have a good day.